Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to work with an artist on TikTok and make money. It's very easy guys, so let's get started. The first step to take is to open your TikTok app and then head to your TikTok profile. After that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you find this creator tools option. Tap on that, and then in the monetization section you'll find the subscription, video gifts, and work with artists option right there. So tap on the work with artists option. Then you're going to see how you can work with artists and make money. Now the first thing you have to do is to pick um, a paid music tags you're interested in, and then create a video with that song and post it. And then if you get more likes, shares, and views, then you earn. All right, but first you have to meet the criteria of being at least 18 years old, having more than 1k followers, and then passing anti-cheating verification. Right, so that's it. That's actually the criteria. So right now I have less than 1k followers. So if you have over 1k followers, then you meet all the criteria. Then all you have to do is to click on the apply button to apply. So that's how I can simply apply to work with an artist on TikTok and earn money. Yes, so hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.